Hey y'all, when's lunch?
Back with the long level. What kind's that one?
Same.
Same, yep. That's his fave.
I just took these caps off. I don't need the caps.
Okay. Is that a pro tip? Sometimes they hinder you.
It's hard on them though. If they fall,
Oh,
dent it.
don't drop your level.
Not gonna drop these.
Tie a rope to it.
Kind of depend on
A little bit, yeah.
drop a little bit.
Oh. It's so scary.
That's hard enough. Yeah, you go with that.
Alright. That was an easy level that time.
Okay, what you want to do is get a measurement here.
Yep. Get a measurement.
Kind of have an idea where it's going. It's not too perfect. 80 1/2. Not gonna be the same.
Never.
8.
80 and a half, 80 and 8.
9. Pretty level. Actually,
Need to go up?
so I can come up.
Okay.
Yeah. So
80 and a half for both.
level it back out.
There you go. Cut your posts. The best painter in all the land.
She's flying.
The blind painter. She does a great job, and she says she can't cut, but she can cut. She can cut.
That's when she turns in the quad lens.
Where's your quad lens?
Over here.
Show us. Give us an example. Here's how she paints and reads, and look at that. She's so cute.
Yeah.
My son calls her quad lens.
Like
She wears two pairs of glasses at once. But it works.
Yeah, works for me. Man, what's up?
Proud of you. It looks really pretty. This camera is so fun. Hey y'all. Oh Mom. You said it. When is lunch? When's lunch, everybody? She's got real glasses, she said. But what happened to them? I mean, that's a hazard of the trade. Okay, that's why she wears two pairs.
Yeah.
Quad lens. See, when you put them up on your head like that, when you bend over to dip your paint roller, your glasses fall off in your paint bucket. Yeah, we learned that.
Let's go that way.
No,
This way.
way more. That looks so much better already. It's just a wonderful day in the neighborhood. He got the other post up while I was staining. That looks 20, 100 million, zillion times better. Hey y'all, guess what? Lunchtime. We're eating healthy. We had apples, Baby Bell Lights, chicken salad with pretzels. Sonny, my honey's having his daily apple.
Apple a day.
So good. Huh.
No kind of fun.
Oh. Huh. It's interesting.
What you get from the Dollar Tree.
Oh, yeah, I love Dollar Tree, but you gotta be careful, everybody. Be careful.
Scrub buddies.
That would not be good. Porch rail time. Where's my dude? There he is. This camera is so fun. Just follow you around like a puppy. We're going 36.5 inches tall on our porch rails because there ain't no inspectors gonna get us. 36 is minimum. We're doing the Sonny method. So We cut 2 boards 35 inches tall, and we're going to set the handrail on top of it to give us our 36.5 height. Get it? Got it? Easy peasy. We got Briley here making a painter's tape ball, because everybody needs one of those. You know who I bet would love that? A Lulu.
Yes, I am making it for Lulu. That's why it's made out of tape.
She's gonna shred it all to pieces. She loves paper products. Paper and paper products. Is it level?
Yeah.
Hey. I love you. He's the leveler. If he was a superhero, he'd be the leveler. Now we need a bottom rail. 50 3/4. Come together.
Offset. Which side do you want the pickets?
Inside.
Nothing but out. Of course.
Okay, we're doing some mathematizing.
No.
Our total length was 50 3/4. And then somehow I figured out we needed 9 pickets, balusters, whatever you want to call them. So since there's 9, that gives you a center one. So center the middle one. And then it came out to be 3 and 7/6. What was it? 3 and 7/8 between each one. And as long as you're not over 4 inches between them, it's all good. So we only needed 9 pickets on this side. So that means we need 9 on the other side, hopefully. We'll see how different they are. Looking good. You do need math, kids. Do your math.
I made this finger thing.
The porch rail coming up. That one's done. And I'll take a pretty picture. We'll get all these tools cleaned off here. Looks so much better. A little bit of paint touch-ups. Y'all hang with us, because we got some exciting projects coming up. We're going to be doing... Oh, we have a whole new house we're starting here in a little bit, a couple weeks. And we have our 70s trailer coming up. That's going to be fun. And... well, all kinds of fun stuff, y'all. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, ring the ding-ling, and do a little dance. We forgot to say, y'all remember to be good and do good. We'll see you next time. Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
So Donna here the other day, we were talking about our dumpster clothes, but she always looks cute. Look, she got her little shacket and everything. I always look like a dumpster. Anyway, she said, if y'all ain't gonna like and subscribe, we're gonna have to do something a little bit different. She said, where you going? She said we was gonna come in our prom dresses and our high heels. Let me flip it. She said we was gonna come in our prom dresses and our high heels to work one day and surprise y'all. And she said, where's the best place to get plus size prom dresses? You never know what she's gonna do. There it is, new porch. Everybody runs when the camera comes out. I'm glad it ain't just me. It looks beautiful. It looks so cute. Wow, my zoom button. Woo. Hopes or stank? Now, step 1. Last me.
Right off this